Going to know about plant tissue. Plant tissue are of two types. What are the types? One is meristematic tissue, another one is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are dividing tissue and permanent tissue are non-dividing tissue. So come to know about the definition of meristematic tissue. A meristematic tissue is a group of young cells that have the capacity of active cell division. So the diagram showing the meristematic tissue, all the cells here are capable of division. This tissue is found in all growing parts of plants such as root tip, shoot tip, etc. Next, come to the characteristic of meristematic tissue. The cells of meristematic tissue are similar in structure, have thin cellulose cell walls. Cellulose is the component of cell wall. The cells may be round, oval, polygonal or rectangular in shape. They are compact, having no intercellular space. Look at this diagram. Have you seen any space between two cells? No. So cells are compact and having no intercellular space. There is a large nucleus. Look at this diagram. Nucleus is very prominent. So there is a large nucleus and abundant cytoplasm. The protoplasm contains very few or no vacuoles at all. If vacuoles present, they are very small in size. So that's all about the characteristic of meristematic tissue. Next, know about the types of meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues, according to location, are of three types. What are they? Apical meristem, intercalary meristem, another one is lateral meristem. So first we know about apical meristem. Apical means apical meristem present at the growing apex of root, shoot. Okay, root, shoot and leaf. If apical meristem divides and grows, the plants increase in length, known as primary growth. So where is the position of apical meristem? At the apex of shoot and root and leaf. Next, know about if the apical meristem divides and grows, the plant increase in length. So this type of growth, the growth takes place at the tip portion, means apex portion, and after the growth, the plant increases in length. This type of growth is known as primary growth. Next, know about intercalary meristem. Present, where is the position of the intercalary? Look at here, the portion of the shoot from where leaf emerge out. This portion is known as node. So node is the portion of the shoot from where the leaf come out. So the gap between, here is another node, here is another node. So there is the gap between two nodes. This gap is known as internode. Okay. So where is the position of the intercalary meristem present in between the permanent tissue? Here is no apical meristem present, means already here the in between the permanent tissue already growth division already completed this portion, but sometimes here meristematic tissue found, this type of meristematic tissue which is found between the permanent tissue, this meristematic tissue is known as intercalary meristem. So, intercalary meristems help in elongation of the organs and are present mostly at the base of nodes, internodes and leaves. Here, so where we get intercalary meristem? At the base of nodes, internodes or leaf. Okay. So next know about lateral meristem. Look at this diagram. It is the longitudinal section of shoot apex showing location of meristems and young leaves. Where is the position of the lateral meristems? At the side. Okay. So present in where is the lateral meristem present? Present at the lateral side of root and stem. So at the lateral side of the root and shoot, which meristem present? That is lateral meristem. If lateral meristem divides and grow, the plant increases in what? That is, plant increases in width and thickness. Means means the width and thickness also increases. That is this kind of growth that is known as secondary growth. So primary growth takes place by whom? By apical meristem, means plant increases in their length, but plant increases in width or increases the width and thickness. This takes place by lateral meristem, and this kind of growth is known as secondary growth. So come to the summary. Apical meristem present at the root and apex of the root and apex of the shoot. They helps in increases the length of the plant and leaf also. Intercalary meristem present in between the permanent tissue, means at the base of node, internode, leaf. Lateral meristem present at the lateral sides of root, shoot and shoot. If lateral meristem divides and grow, the plant increases in width and thickness. So this kind of growth is known as secondary growth. That's all about meristematic tissue.